Our company, Novum Automation, we do a variety of things. So we do industrial automation, automated test solutions, and control panel building along with PLC programming and LabVIEW programming. The biggest challenge that led us to Phoenix Contact was most likely in our control panel builds, where we were utilizing screw terminal blocks that were taking a fair amount longer to build large panels, and the reliability where we need to torque them down for UL certifications afterwards. And so one of the main products that we used from Phoenix Contact was their PT terminal blocks, or their push-in terminal blocks. And that saved us considerable time when we're building panels, and also just the reliability overall, so that we don't have to worry about actually having to torque them to anything. So our sales contact, or sales rep, Zach, he has helped us in an abundance of ways. By one, just showing us the overall product awareness that Phoenix Contact actually has to offer. We were only aware of a couple of their product lines, mainly their terminal blocks. Turns out that Phoenix Contact actually does quite a few product lines, and they were able to help us in power supplies and their PT fix line and safety relays as well. And so overall, I don't think we'd be where we're at right now in the position that we are, being so efficient at building panels, if it wasn't for Zach. The reliability that we get and the comfort that we get using Phoenix Contact's products, we don't have to question their reliability. We don't have to question, their functionality. When they say that it's going to work and it's per these certain certifications, we don't have to do any more additional analysis for that. So it takes a lot of work out of our end. There's also the troubleshooting that goes into play with some of the product lines we were using. And by using Phoenix Contact, we just don't have to do that follow-up troubleshooting at any time, because their products just work. Not only do they give us the great functionality that we've talked about, but also the overall look is a modern look. So I know that looks aren't everything, but if you show a control panel build with Phoenix Contact's products, it has a modern feel to it, to where it actually looks like, wow, that's been built in the 20th century. Because when customers see the panels that we build, they're fairly shocked at just how clean they look, how modern they look, and they're also asking, what are these terminal blocks that you just have to push in wires? We've kind of been a little bit surprised at how little customers are aware of the push-in terminal blocks that we use. And so I think overall, when they see our products, that gives them confidence of Novum Automation can build a quality panel that's going to last a while, and they're using innovative and new product technologies that are well proven. So Novum comes from the Latin term innovative. So we strive to be an innovative team. And by using Phoenix Contact's products, I feel that helps us to accomplish that. So we use a lot of various product lines, but overall, being innovative is looking for the latest technology, but not just that, the latest proven and reliable technology. And that's really what we're after. There's a lot of companies that come out with the latest and greatest technology, and here, try this, but it really hasn't been proven or tested. When you look at Phoenix Contact's product lines, and you look at some of their videos online and how they test their products, like how certain their terminal blocks can even go into rail applications, you just get that confidence of okay, they fully have tested this. They're not just talking, it's not marketing. It is a proven and fully functional product that's ready to go into production. And that helps me to sleep better at night. That gives me the confidence that we're in it for the long run. And so overall, it just really embodies what Novum Automation is about. And that's using some of the latest technologies, the latest innovations in technologies.